Kids camera Anshan X200. How to adjust the date time. Select settings then press the camera key. Select the date time, the up, down key to adjust the time. After selecting it, press the camera key. Select camera function. Shooting can display the time. If you don't want to show the time, you can do this. Select the settings and press the camera key. Select timestamp and press the camera key. Shooting do not display the time. Restore format and factory settings to delete all data. Open settings. Open the format. Press the camera key. Next, let's see how to restore factory settings. Press the camera key and up. Great Vol Anshan.